Hey folks, I'm Walter, and here is our 5 favorite restaurants on cruise ships so far. Number 5, Sabatini's on Princess Cruises. Excellent seafood, amazing steaks. I had one of the biggest dinners of my life with my father on the Sapphire Princess. Number 4 is a tie between Izumi on Royal Caribbean and Teppanyaki on Norwegian. These are both excellent hibachi steakhouses. Seafood, steaks, the service, the entertainment is awesome. Number 3 is Cagney's Steakhouse on Norwegian. I just went there on the Norwegian Escape and had one of the best steaks I have ever had in my life. Number 2, back to Norwegian with Food Republic. What an amazing concept with the tapas. The quality of the food is amazing. The service was awesome. Such a fun evening. And before we get to number 1, an honorable mention to one of our favorites of all times, the original cuisine concept on Celebrity. It was an amazing tapas bar that has now been replaced with Le Petit Chef. And our number 1 favorite meal on a cruise ship so far, Remy on the Disney Cruise Lines. Yes, we had the best meal ever on the Disney Fantasy. 4 of us sitting in the wine room. We were stuffed to the gills. The food was absolutely, positively amazing. So far, those are our 5 favorite restaurants. We're going on Carnival this year and we're going on Virgin Voyages this year, so we might have to change that list. What about you? What is your favorite restaurant at sea so far?